Hey yo! So the sneakers are finally here. This is an OG Air Jordan. I think a lot of people are gonna be doubling up on, and I do not blame you guys at all, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. I know I sound like a broken record, but I really do appreciate you guys for tapping into the videos, coming and supporting your boy on what we talk about on the channel. You know what I'm saying? We talking about sneakers. Everybody loves sneakers, and that's why you're here today. You probably seen OG Jordan sneakers. You should know what these bad boys are, man. So if you guys are new to the channel and you ain't already, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and please leave a huge like on today's video. The likes go a long way. The interaction down below in the comment section goes a long way, and that really does help the channel grow. You guys know we are giving away a pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Soon we hit 80K. We're less than 1,300 away, bro. 1,300 subscribers, and we'll be giving away a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes to one lucky supporter. Now, I know y'all see the tee right here, man. This is going to be the drop for Outrank brand. They will be dropping this exclusive tee on their website tomorrow. You guys know the Air Jordan 3 J Balvins are dropping, and they have some merch that goes perfect with it, bro. Let me go ahead and show the tee one more time, bro. I love the t-shirt. And hopefully, bro, I got the tee to go with it. I even got the hat to go with it, bro. Even got the hat to go with the J Balvin 3s. Now, the only thing is Nike giving me that W, because I don't want to pay resale yet, but if I had to, I might have to spend that resale bread, man. So go check out Outrank brand. I'm gonna link them down below, and as always, use my discount code TheVintage to save you 10% off your entire order. Don't sleep. All right, man, so here we have it. We have the box. Finally are here, bro. A grill, bro. A grill. I can call these a grill. The grill checked off the list we have in today. And don't judge my outfit. I literally just threw something on, you know what I'm saying? We got the foam runners on, and I forgot where I got these from, but I really like them. Been wearing them a couple of times now recently, and I came over here for the Rambo knife box cutter, bro. We have it. The box cutter is here, man. I mean, we got something to unbox. We got some heat, so let's go ahead and get into it. And if you haven't already, hit the like button, man. So if you don't know, bro, if y'all don't know, a couple of days ago, I came up on YouTube, I went live, and I told y'all about a sneaker that was gonna shock drop on the Nike sneakers app, you know what I'm saying? And I said, y'all beware of the shock drop. Next thing you know, Nike went ahead and gave everybody a shock drop that was much anticipated, a sneaker that was much anticipated, and that's what we have. So if I gave it away, there you guys go, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get into it, man. Okay, you got that OG box right here. Hold on, guys. So you guys see, man, you got that gray and black box. Here we have it, bro. Here we have it, man. I already seen these, so I don't know how much excitement I will have, but this is my pair, bro. It ain't nobody else's pair. You guys know first we showed a pair, we got kicks, but now we have the real deal. We got that size 9.5, bro. Y'all see that 9.5? Yes, sir. Got the Air Jordan up top. Got some Nike Air over here, some other little brandings. And now y'all probably like, bro, read the colorway and show us the sneaker. So here we have it. Air Jordan 8 Retro. Black, true red, and white. I've been telling you guys lately, I'm rocking a size 9.5 for my sneakers, so that's why we have a size 9.5 in these bad boys right here. So without further ado, let's get into it. Flip the top open, and let's get into it, bro. Yes, sir. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 8 playoffs, man. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. We got a pair in hand, man. Hold dice, bro. Hold on. Man, we finally have them, bro. Yo, this is so crazy, man. Love this Air Jordan 8 right here. Been wanting it forever, like literally forever. Seen a couple of, people wearing these from time to time. And I said, bro, I gotta add them to the collection, man. And here you have them, bro. They are here. Live in the flesh. Your boy TheVintage delivered. I told y'all, if I can get them early, I would try to get them early. You guys see the 2-3 right here. The hits on the midsole, bro. They went crazy with this pair. You even got the little leather hits on the side panels on the inner of the sneaker. And I'm telling y'all, bro, they executed these with precision, bro. Precise execution on these things. I love them, man. And probably the thing that a lot of people love about 8s, I would say, is the outsole. And as you guys can see, got the crazy outsoles down below. We got a bunch of different colors, and they also, coincide with the colorway inside the tongue, bro. So you guys know it's like a sock liner inside of the shoe, super thick, you know what I'm saying? You can actually, I think you can pull this out. I don't know if you can pull it out. You probably can, I don't know. But you also get this like double padding on the inside of the sneaker. Like I said, you got that same little logo design on the outsole. You get some crazy effect or crazy colorway on the inside of the tongue. That on feet coming, it's been way too long. I never had these, never add them to the collection. I said, I know eventually they will drop again. That's why a lot of times I don't go back and get older sneakers. If it's a shoe that hasn't dropped in about 5 years, or I'll probably even say 4 years, I most likely won't go buy it because I already know Jordan's gonna wash and repeat. But certain colorways, like I said, I never had a pair of Air Jordan 8 playoffs. So actually getting these was super dope, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm excited. Seen them before, but now we actually have my size. Like, it's always great to add something to the collection for yourself. Got these for retail on a Nike Oop for the shock drop. I was like, you know what? Hopefully, you know, so I let everybody else know about the shock drop, all the vintage squads. So hopefully Nike seen what I did, you know what I'm saying? Show a little gratitude to you guys, help y'all out. And they blessed your boy with a pair of 8s himself, man. That's all I really wanted, man. It's all I really wanted, minus the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. They will be coming soon. Like I said, I am hearing people talking about it, circulating. The Cherry 12s will be shock dropping as well. And if they do anything like, you know what I'm saying, the playoff 8s or the UNC toes, or even a red red cement 4s, they're gonna happen about 3 to 4 weeks before the official drop. And that's another pair, bro. That's the last pair, man. I'm telling y'all. I know I'll be like, yo, I ain't copping no more shoes. But the last sneaker that I am buying and adding to the collection, I don't even want to call it a collection no more. The sneaker that I will be buying to rock is the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. That's the only thing I need, bro. I promise y'all. After that, like I said, we already got the Gratitude 11s. Don't really need them because we have the Concords. I feel like you got the Concords. You don't really need the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, but hey, to each his own. Y'all spend y'all money how y'all want to. Y'all cop what y'all want. That's fine by me. But this is one of the last sneakers that are a must. That was an instant cop for your boy, and we have them here. But I'm telling y'all, the quality, the hits, and even the midsole, you know what I'm saying, leading up to, you know what I'm saying, the nice side panels of the sneaker is just dope, bro. I can't even really put any more words on it. Nike killed it. I love them. And yeah, man, bring back some childhood memories, man. Remember people rocking these things? I said, man, I really want to add a pair to the collection one day. Never was a big fan of 8s, but certain colorways, like I said, the playoff 8s, the aqua 8s, the Bugs Bunny 8s, you know, other 8s like that. I say, yo, I have to have them. And now we just need them aqua things, bro. We need them aquas at retro, and they probably is gonna happen either next year or the year after next, which we can wait, you feel me? So you guys let me know right now down below in the comment section who hit on the shock drop for these Air Jordan 8 playoffs. These will be releasing September the 30th, bro. September 30th, Saturday. I am thinking about going live that day. It's a crazy day that day. We got the 8s dropping. We have Jamel Charlo fighting Canelo Alvarez. It's gonna be fireworks. It's gonna be a great day. So if I can go live in the morning, that'd be dope. And of course, we gotta drop the recap and talk about how the Air Jordan 8 playoffs did. I do honestly think that these will be some sitters. You know what I'm saying? I think they're gonna hit the outlets, but I don't care, man. Like, this is a pair I always wanted. I don't care about the hype. I don't care about the resale. This is a dope sneaker. I don't care what nobody says, man. So let me know right now down in the comment section if you will be snagging a pair September the 30th. And I think the retail tag is 210 bones, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on the video. And make sure you check out Outrank Brand. They got you guys covered. They got the hat to go with the J Balvins. They got the tee to go with the J Balvin right here. They also have this one right here. It's probably gonna go first. I really like the design. I really like, you know what I'm saying, how that artwork came out. So go check them out. Use my code TheVintage to save you 10% off your entire order, man. Again, thanks for tapping in. And all this being said, I'm gonna go ahead and look at these Air Jordan 8s for the rest of the day.